Na 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 na, Jah bless all the people. Yeah man, smoke and peace, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Morning sun, rise pon the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain, when faith alone remained. Now the dawn break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see. Yo, chant of the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want lift love around. Every beat and every sound, heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street, morning sun, guide the feet. Elder preach, shoot them learn. All hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No fear, no shame, just glory in Jah name. Chant out in the morning sun. Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal. Rise again, stand tall. Jah love for all. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun, shine again. Wash the world of pain. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Na 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 ganja and echoes reggae. Me rise before the morning call. Hear Jah whisper over all. Light break through the misty air. Remind me love still there. Me see the darkness start to fade. Another day Jah made. Me stretch my hands, me lift my voice. In Jah light me rejoice. No chain, no fear, no hate survive. Love keep me alive. Me chant the truth from deep within. Let the healing begin. Me walk the earth with a humble mind. Me look on peace me find. Every bird and every tree sing Jah melody. The youth them gather round the flame. Praise Jah holy name. No division, no more fight. All walk in Jah light. Yeah. Chant of the rising sun. Bless the heart of everyone. One rhythm, one sound, one prayer. Jah presence everywhere. Chant of the rising sun. New creation just begun. Lift your voice and let it run. Rasta morning come. Yeah. Rasta morning come. Me see the farmer till the field. Jah blessing them yield. The woman hum a peaceful tune as morning kiss the moon. Me feel the warmth of joy embrace shine upon every face. The world reborn, the fire true, Jah dwell in me and you. Me hold the drum and beat the sound. Me feel the spirit all around. From mountain top to ocean side, Jah glory can't hide. The world awaken, soul anew, every heart shine true. Rise up, oh I say. New life, blessed today, no sorrow, no pain remain. Jah wash away the stain. Chant of the rising sun, bless the heart of everyone. One rhythm, one sound, one prayer, Jah presence everywhere. Chant of the rising sun, new creation just begun. Lift your voice and let it run, Rasta morning come. Yeah. Rasta morning come. So when the day turn night again, me hold Jah till the end. Chant still echoing on me chest, Jah love forever blessed. Seeds of sky, seeds of sky, high above the mountain crest. Seeds of sky find place to rest. Every cloud a fertile field, every drop of love reveal. Winds them carry soft and wide, seeds of sky on holy right. Fall to earth so pure, so bright, born of day and kissed by night. Seeds of sky, seeds of sky. Farmer look and start to pray. Seeds of sky descend to today. Every leaf a blessing you. Seeds of hope in morning dew. No machine can make them grow. Seeds of love from Jah we know. Every petal tell the tale of truth that never fail. Poets see them drift and fall. Seeds of sky embrace us all. Every color paint the air. Seeds of peace beyond compare. No boundary, no divide. Seeds of mercy worldwide. Every bloom a hymn to grace. Seeds of skylight every place. Seeds of sky, not every seeds of sky. Child them dance beneath the rain. Seeds of sky erase the pain. Every laughter pure and true. Seeds of sky renew the view. Even deserts start to bloom. Seeds of hope remove the gloom. Ever shining free and high. Seeds of sky will never die. Night descend but stars remain. Seeds of sky fall soft again. Every dream become a song. Seeds of Zion growing strong. Generation plant and learn. Seeds of light forever burn. Everlasting, pure and grand. Seeds of sky bless the land. Fall, gentle rain, wash away the world's pain. Rise, truth on high. Seeds of Zion never die. sky. Sacred promise, bright and true. Seeds of Jah renew the view. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Me sit in silence, moon above. Feel Jah love. Me no need no temple tall. Jah in all. Every breath me take, me find peace of mind. Jah light within me shine divine. Me used to search far and wide, no need hide. Me learn Jah dwell inside me heart. Sacred art, no pastor, no preacher man. Only Jah plan. Me look inside and see eternity. Me walk through shadow long, but me stay strong. Jah whisper through me doubt. Truth come out, me see the darkness fade. Hope made, Jah light glow pure and still. By will, Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever Him. Me teach you youth to see Jah energy, no diamond, no gold compare. Jah care, me tell the queen she shine. Truly divine, light no come from skin, but deep within. Me hear the city nice, fade slow, stillness grow. Me find peace upon humble floor. Want no more, Jah light reflecting eye. Never die, me live me truth, me chant. Elegant, even in a star me glow. Light still show, darkness can defeat the flame. In Jah name, me carry peace through pain. Again, Jah light within guide me day, show me way. Jah light within never dim, forever Him. Jah light within pure and bright, endless night. Jah light within bless me soul, make me whole. So when the world seem cold and blind, look inside, Jah light within still burn every turn. Ay, 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 ay. Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me now this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom heart. Me see the people stand again after centuries of pain. The fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me try the road them paved with lies. Still me hold me head high. Them system cold like steel and stone, but me now walk alone. Me hear the whisper in the breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Oh, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold, Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion, free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta Loader. Me see the youths, them wise and proud, chant redemption load. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. What Jah melody? Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion roar through the land, justice in a Jah hand, just in a Jah hand. No chin can bind a righteous man, no force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light, Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm, spirit transform. Me walk with courage, faith and song, for the journey long. Fly on the wings of the lion, soaring high, freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest me soul upon higher ground, peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong, Jah love live long. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Nah, 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 ganja, yeah. It's medicine, yeah, man. Me feel the wind upon my face. Jah love fill every space. The sunrise bright, the sky so clear. Every heart can feel him near. Me see the people wake and smile. Walk the righteous, walk the mile. Them bring the joy, them bring the light. Shine for every heart tonight. Me chant for love, me chant for peace. Carry blessing, never cease. Every hand join, every voice sing. Roots vibration, everlasting. Me hear the drums, me hear the bass. Rhythm move the whole place. Me plant the seed, me water deep. Jah protection always keep. From the city to the hill so high, Jah light shine from the sky. Me chant for unity, me chant for right. Guide the youth through the night, yeah. Jah vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Jah power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. Me see the elders teach the youth. Share the story, share the truth. Every corner, every street. Righteous rhythm never be. Me chant for you, me chant for right. Lift the people through the night. Children laugh, the sun shine bright. Blessings flow through the light. Every heartbeat like the drum. Unity for all become. Me see the world rise as one. Jah work for all is done. Me walk the path, me see the way. Jah love guide every day. No chain can hold, no fear can bind. Blessings free for all mankind. Yeah, Jah vibration, lift the soul. Bring the people to the goal. One heart, one love, one song. Jah power ever strong. Spread the light, spread the peace. Make the blessings never cease. So when the night seem dark and long, remember Jah in the song. One love, one heart, one flame. Together we rise, never the same.